Next video, we're going to talk about geometry, circles and squares, and the relationship between these two shapes. So firstly, for a circle, we know that we have the radius, okay, we also have the circumference, and to find the area, the formula for that is pi r squared. The formula for circumference is 2 pi r. As for a square, we usually have the length, and we also know that this length is the same on four sides. We can also split it up into a triangle, split it up using a diagonal into two triangles, and the length of this diagonal is actually x square root 2. For this, we can use Pythagoras theorem. So of course the area would be just x squared, and the total perimeter is just 4 times of x. So with this in mind, let's try out a question that requires these two properties. So here, now we have a question. Determine the area of a square that's inscribed inside a circle whose area is 8 pi. So basically what that means is the square is inside the circle, and the circle has an area of 8 pi. Okay, so area of circle, that's pi r squared, and that's equal to 8 pi. Therefore, we know that the value of r squared is 8, and r will then be the square root of 8, and square root of 8 can be rewritten as square root 4 multiplied by square root 2, which is basically just 2 square root 2. And then we also know that the diagonal of the diagonal of the square is actually the diameter of the circle, right? The diameter of the circle is the same as the diagonal of the square. And the diameter of the circle is basically just 2 times of the radius. So 2 multiplied by 2 square root 2. And simplify that, we get 4 square root 2. From the previous portion, we also know that the diagonal of the square is basically just x square root 2. So this here, x square root 2 is equal to 4 square root 2, and hence x is equal to 4. So the length of the square is equal to 4. If you want to find the area of the square, that's basically 4 multiplied by 4, or just 4 square, to give us 16.